What's up, Tez fans? This is Mac from Cryptstar Staking, and today I have a little tutorial for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the new cTez vault to go ahead and earn baking awards and participate in Tezos Defi at the same time. Now, if you want to know what cTez is and WTZ is, basically, they're both different types of wrap Tezos that do the same thing. However, it's just a different way of opening a vault. WTZ is a shared vault, a lot easier to use, very simple. cTez is a lot more customizable for the more knowledgeable user base. So, without more to do, let's get to it. So first you want to head over to the cTez.app website. From there, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and connect your wallet. And in my case, I'm going to connect my Temple wallet because I'm using that to connect to my little ledger I have here. So connect to my Temple wallet. Then I should be able to just go ahead and go over to here. And from here, since Cryptstar isn't in here, I'm not sure why they're not whitelisted. Doesn't make any sense to me. But you know what? Hopefully they will do it. Crossing my fingers. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and delegate to Cryptstar because you want to support the channel, just go ahead and head over to cryptstar.com/bakery, and you can just copy and paste our address right here. And then it goes and says 1. So initial deposit, let's say I want to put in five of these. From here, this part's really confusing. This is a feature that Arthur put in. As of right now, I don't feel like there's a huge use case for it for just the normal user, but for business owners and things like that in the future, it might be useful to have a shared oven. But for right now, anybody can actually deposit. You can go ahead and click on this, exit this, and uncheck this. You can check this, and anybody can deposit into the address, or just you can deposit, or you can put a whitelist for people who can deposit. So just so you know, that's the confusing part about this for me was that feature. So I'm gonna go ahead and confirm, and it's gonna show it on my ledger. I hope. Oh, it is working. It's on my ledger. I press confirm on my ledger, and boom, bam, boom, boom, bam. Then you're gonna see I'm gonna have 5 cTez in my cTez vault once this is finished. So exciting! Gonna get me some cTez. Okay, so once you get your vault created and you put your initial 5 Tezos in, then you can go ahead and click on this and it'll show you your vault. Then you can either withdraw your Tez or deposit your Tez, or you can actually mint your cTez. And right now it looks like, due to some sort of algorithm going on in the background, that 1 Tez is not exactly equal to 1 cTez. It means, so when I go to redeem my 5 Tez, I only have to put in 4.68 cTez. So there is some opportunity for arbitrage here. If you can manage to get cTez for cheap, then you can go ahead and use that arbitrage to get the Tezos back from your vault. With this vault, you can actually, there's no lockup period and there's no charges or anything. Just automatically, you can withdraw anytime as long as you burn the cTez to free the collateral. So as you can see, I just minted the cTez, right? And it says max mintable is this amount. So, and it says the remaining mintable is this amount. Once this is done, it'll show me how much I need to go ahead and burn in order to release my Tezos. Okay, so it looks like they went ahead and they added my little baker here, the little Cryptstar icon. And also, in just a second, you should be able to see my outstanding cTez. Maybe refresh the page. It's possible that the transaction hasn't been confirmed yet. Okay, it looks like the transaction was confirmed, and it looks like I have an infinity collateralization ratio. I have a feeling this is a bug in the UI. Go ahead and head over to swap. You can see here, actually, if I want to go ahead and swap 5, I can actually swap 5 Tezos for 4.9 cTez. This is where the arbitrage opportunity I was talking about comes from. So if you guys want to make a few bucks and you got some spare time, a few extra Tez and you got some spare time, you can try and take advantage of this. I'm just doing it during this tutorial just to show you how it works. It looks like you can make 0.5 Tez in about a minute. That's not bad, but I don't think this opportunity is going to last forever. It's going to disappear once people start taking advantage of it. So what I'm going to do here to go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity is I'm going to go ahead and burn 4.6. Then I will be left with actually like 5.4, and then I'll actually be able to withdraw my Tezos. I'll have 5.4 cTez, and then I'll have like 5 Tezos. So I've made about 1 Tezos off of this arbitrage. I don't know if it's called arbitrage. I don't know what you call this. Just taking advantage of this system that's in place. And this is all based on some formula Arthur made, and I think you can look it up on GitHub. Honestly, it was way above my head. So I can go to my vaults, right? And then I can go here, click on that. Then I can go ahead and hit burn. hit max, burn. And it looks like I'm even able to mint a little bit more cTez now, but it's okay. So now I can go ahead and go on my ledger, confirm the transaction. So as you can see from this tutorial, like cTez doesn't always exactly equal 1 Tez, and also you can get over collateralized. I think the ratio was 1.06 or something like that. So if the ratio goes above 1.06 for some reason, due to their fluctuation or whatever their algorithms they have, there's a way to get a small amount of liquidation, but it's not like a huge amount at all. It's not like Calibri or anything like that. It'd be like less than 1%, I think. So I don't think the liquidation is a huge risk here. So yeah, like just down here you can see there's two tabs for the questions and GitHub, and that's pretty much it. You can see which ovens are over collateralized, which looks like they're all like 100%, and that's normal. For this you can go ahead and go do 100% collateralization. But yeah, I mean, cTez is pretty cool. This means that you can interact with smart contracts in a way that you can never interact with just normal Tezos. So yeah, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that helps you learn how to use the new cTez platform and the new cTez wrapped Tezos token. And I will see you all in the next video.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody go to Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it. You know, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.